Okay, hi, my name is Danny, and today I'm making a tutorial about how to connect KNX compatible devices with ETS4. So first you need to create a new project, but I'm not going to do that because I have already created one for that purpose. Then you're going to have to create rooms. For this, you need to add a building. Mine will be called Home. Then you need to add a building part, which are the rooms. So my first room will be distribution board, and my second room will be the living room. Now that this is done, you are going to have to create group addresses depending on what you want to do with them. So, for example, my main group will be lighting, then my middle group will be on north, and my group addresses will be light 1 and light 1 status. Okay, now that this is done, you are going to have to add devices to your project. So you click on all devices, then add devices, and you should land on your database. So if your device is not on the database, you can import them uh, by downloading them on our KNX online shop website. So I'm going to use a Eelectron 4 input and 4 outputs module and a CGC system universal switch. Okay, so now you are going to have to add these devices to the rooms you want them to be placed at. So you can do that by just dragging them to the room. This will go on the distribution board, and this one will go in the living room. So the next step, you need to make sure your PC is linked to your KNX, to the KNX USB interface of your installation, because we are going to have to download the individual addresses to your devices. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I forgot to mention that for the individual address to download on your device, you need to press the programming button on your device. And you need to be careful that only one device is in programming mode, so else it will not work. So now that this is done, you're going to have to add the devices to the room. Oops, sorry, I've already did that. So now you are going to have to add the objects on the devices on your groups. So for example here, I'm going to place my output 1 relay command on light 1 status, no light 1, sorry. Then the relay status on light 1 status. And then for the push button, I will add the output A1 switching on the light 1 group, and the input LED will go on the light 1 status group. So now For your devices to work, you're going to have to download the applications into them. So I am going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so now that our applications are all downloaded, everything should be good for working, but we are just going to check this by going on diagnostics, then bus monitoring. So this is a log in which every actions you will have on your installation will appear. So I'm just going to show you a little example. Yes. Okay, so as you can see here, by pressing one of the push buttons of my CGC system switch, I've acted on the light 1 and light 1 status. So the 0 value means off and the 1 value means that it is on. Thank you for watching. This video was brought to you by Home of Technologies.